equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the sensors of your Xiaomi Robot. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to get your robot back in action. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and some isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing the internal components. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Now, let's start by turning off your robot and removing the battery. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Once the battery is out, we can proceed to open the robot's casing. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the casing off. Be careful not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Once the casing is off, you'll see the internal components, including the sensors we need to repair. Next, inspect the sensors for any visible damage or dirt. Often, dirt can accumulate and affect the sensor's performance. Using the soft brush, gently clean around the sensors. If you notice any stubborn grime, dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol and carefully clean the area. This step is vital for ensuring the sensors function correctly after reassembly. If you find that the sensors are damaged, you may need to replace them. Check the model number and order the correct replacement parts online. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once you have cleaned or replaced the sensors, it's time to reassemble the robot. Carefully place the casing back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, securing the casing tightly but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembly, insert the battery back into the robot. Turn it on and test the sensors to ensure they are functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Xiaomi Robot sensors. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your robot. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service at your fingertips. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and that your Xiaomi Robot is back to its optimal performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.